In its statement, the Egyptian armed forces considered the popular calls for Army Chief Abdel Fattah al-Sisi to run a, quote, assignment and a commitment. And while Sisi is keeping Egyptians waiting without an answer, critics say the statement shows the army will support a particular candidate in the next race.
The statement that the army announced gave a wrong impression to the West. Many of these countries thought that the army led a coup against Morsi, which is not true. But that's why we wanted the army to stay away from politics with its leaders. Abdel Fattah al-Sisi is a popular hero because he achieved the people's desires. We wish he could remain like this.
The Popular Stream is a socialist movement founded by former presidential candidate Hamdin Sabahi. He already decided to run again this year for the presidential seat. But even though they could be competitors, both Sisi and Hamdin met to plan together the political transition, through which the popular current says Sisi has done a good job.
Sabahi stressed to al-Sisi that the most important factor in this political transition is social justice. Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, as part of the government, was the main driving force to set a decent minimum wage, while the Prime Minister was rejecting.
After a frightening escalation in terrorist attacks on Egypt, many experts say Sisi is the right man for this stage.
One of our main challenges in the very short period of time coming is to set up security measures and to make law and order in Egypt. Second is to do an economic development where people can start feeling that the achievement of the revolution. I think that we need a military figure, but this military figure should be experienced, having a lot of intelligence backgrounds, and at the same time having a capability that can lead others with the respect of people and the support from the society to be able to absorb what decisions he's going to give. I think all of this have been addressed in Field Marshal Sisi.
To all powers supporting ousting Morsi, Abdel Fattah al-Sisi has become a national icon. Even those who are planning to run for presidency praises Sisi's leadership. So it seems that the results of Egypt's presidential elections will be known as soon as Sisi declares his candidacy. Adel El Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.